Hey there, it's Robert McCann down here in the bottom right hand corner of the video. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I wanted to shoot a video on how to use Leadpages, getting your Leadpages set up and going ahead and creating a campaign here. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. This is the home page for Leadpages, which you can see they've got a video there that you can go to and take a look at that video. But I'll speed things along here and jump into my account at Leadpages. And just to make, this is just a tutorial, kind of a plain Jane vanilla tutorial. So if you need to pause the video, if I'm going too fast, feel free to stop it, pause it, rewind it, or whatnot. But I'll try to go along as efficiently as possible while still giving you great value. So when you get into Leadpages, you go into your template section, and then come down here to this area, Optin pages. Scroll down for an example. And let's say you just want to use a regular standard page. So let's go ahead and use this template right here. I just say yes to this, and go on through the process. First place I like to start when I get started in here is pick the page name. So I'll just say, in this case, my new page. Or actually, I tell you what, let's optimize a little bit better. I think I can do better than that for you. Okay, how to set up Leadpages. And what will end up happening is as that sets up in there, it's going to create the URL with that particular information there. Let me go ahead and fix that little spelling error there. All right. Okay. Real easy. You just click in the field right here. Little pop-up comes over here. Let's say you don't want free report. You just want to say, yes, get it here now. Okay, done. I mean, it's really that simple. Click in the field here. Just type in, this has got some information there already. So you can come on in here. Let's say you want to go ahead and delete that. Make something completely new. Hey, check out my new videos. Okay, if you want to bold that, you just highlight it, bold it. There you go. Okay, all this is custom. Every piece in here is customizable, all the same way. You can change this here. Here's a quick little tip I'd like to give you is, put in the email you would give your mom. I learned that it was one of the little byproducts in a program I spent $1,000 on getting high volume internet traffic, and that little tip in there has been able to save me quite a bit and actually helping the opt-in rates there. So go ahead and say okay to that. That's just a free little bonus here for you while we're here. Download the report. Maybe you just want to say, see video now. Okay, let's get rid of that extra E. Very user friendly. Now there's an opt-in form, as you're going to see right here, this opt-in form integration. If you click this, I use GetResponse. In one of my other videos I was explaining to you about using the campaign ID key. You can use that, but you can also here just integrate your GetResponse account here and go ahead and pick the campaign that you have. And just to go ahead and make this video kind of synchronize with the last video, I did create some additional campaigns in there to just kind of test things out. And I think I was doing the Robert Test 51 campaign. And you can put your own thank you URL page in here. That's a little bit more customized. But once you get your own Leadpages account, and they've got a very simple, inexpensive way to, $37 a month I think is a low end. And that's more than enough to get started. But you can put put an address in here. I'll just use Google for now. Say OK. And what that does is, whoops, I got to put in the HTTP. They like that in there. Okay. And what that does is when somebody clicks on that, they put their email and they click on that, that's the page it's going to take them to. And then really, as far as edit, that's it. Hit save. And you'll see it saying right here, saving success. Go ahead and publish. Going to bring up a drop down box here in 1 second. Okay, so now it's been published, right? Okay, so let's get out of here. And here it is. It just drops right into my library, which is under the Leadpages tab. Here's my whole library. Easier to hit this right here. Here's where the little sub box is going to come here, and you'll be able to just come over here, view your page. And this page is now live. That page is live and up front. You can put your email address in here. If somebody doesn't put their email address in there, they hit see the video. It tells them, please, put your email address in there. And that, my friends, is really that super simple walkthrough process on how to set up your Leadpages account. Of course, when you go back to the templates here, there's all different kinds of templates that Leadpages has in here. You can get super fancy with all different kinds of templates that are in here, as you see. These are all sales page letters. A couple of them in here I really like to use. I particularly like this particular one right here. I re-customized the whole thing, as you may have seen in one of the pages that you've opted in for me before. But it's very simple. You come back to your library here. You can check out your pages. Just to give you a quick sneak peek here, I could take you over here to one of my other pages that I have up right now using Leadpages. I just like the flexibility of it, and I think the system works very, very well. So take a look here, and then boom, yes, Robert, I want to work from home, make crazy videos, and earn money in the process. So this is a live URL that you could actually find and click on, and you could see. I'm telling you, this is the address you would give mom. I put that in my opt-ins. It was just a little tidbit and trick that I learned. Free bonus for today. I learned it in a program. I spent $1,000 on the Internet Traffic Formula. Phenomenal program. It's not even currently available to be purchased any longer, but phenomenal program. Keep you posted. That one comes out again soon. But anyway, my name again is Robert McCann, and somewhere in this video, if you want more information or you'd like to work with us here and lock arms with 300,000 other home-based crazy internet entrepreneurs that are just breaking the boundaries of life and making a living at home, you can click that link in that video or type in the URL, however you have to get there, and love to lock arms with you and connect with you, but I really want to just shoot today's video as a tutorial. Look forward to working with you, and see you in the next video. Take care.